With Mini-Me. Sexy hair? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no. Okay, so I just wanted to say, right now everything's pretty much being screwed. I could play Minecraft, but, everything else is getting screwed. Ooh, pizza. But, pretty much it. Look at that. Look at that. That looks yum. I don't know. Anyway. So, yeah. Oh. I'm going to Myrtle Beach. I will vlog about it every day. In June. Yeah. So, I think that's it, guys. Meeting me out.